The digital media program is a 3-year program that delves deeply into storytelling, filmmaking, media production, audio production, professional photography. We use all professional equipment and editing software, the same equipment and software that would be used in the field. So students get a hand-on approach to creating media, to analyzing media, and to understanding modes of expression in storytelling.
What I really enjoyed about the program was getting the ability to use the professional equipment that's actually still used today. So gaining that knowledge at an early age was super helpful for me.
I saw that digital media offered me a lot of experiences that prepares me for a career that I'm interested in. And since I really enjoy photography, digital media was the perfect program for me to get that experience and learn some really cool things.
You know, I've seen a lot of students come in and just think that it was going to be a class where they just look at movies or just shoot videos and throw it together like YouTube style or TikTok style. And they don't want to put a lot of effort into it. And then as they sort of get baited in through the content and start really exploring the depths and levels of editing or storytelling, you know, those end up being some of my best students in the end, because they have a story to tell and they just didn't realize that there were all these different ways in which they could tell it and that they could tell their own unique story in any way that they saw fit.
This school is, I think, definitely one of the bright spots in schools in Woonsocket. You get to see like a lot of different things, and no matter what program you go into, you get a lot of different experiences in the workforce that you're interested in.
And I think in general, it's a career in tech school is really a good escape for people that want to be more hands-on and learn something they're really interested in.
We go out to Channel 10 News and for a day, and they take us through their entire production line and the process. We get introduced to some of the technicians, some of the talent. They show us how things are filmed, and that's in the first year. And the kids get a really, you know, it's pretty exciting to see a professional atmosphere for the first time. Whether it be the election, whether it be you know, companies, whether it be public service, media is at the forefront. And within every piece of media, there are numerous jobs and just tons of roles that need to be played, from audio technicians to mixers to cameramen to lighting to script writers to storyboarders to set designers.
I would say just do it because you not only learn all the hard skills of like the software and the programming, but at the end of it, you also learn you get all the experience and you get 3 certifications as well as college credit. So taking a program at the Career and Tech Center is really, really helpful and useful in the long run.
And honestly, if I didn't go to the career and tech school, I don't know if I'd be in the position I am today.
And everything's online now and everything's digital. So, you know, you think about it, you think about every person that you know. What do they do when they wake up in the morning? They grab their phone and they look at media, and that's being produced by somebody. And like I said, every piece has multiple hands on deck creating that piece of media. So there's just a multitude of opportunity out there right now.